All right, folks, we're back for another workout Wednesday, middle of the week. I hope it's treating you well. It's starting to feel like springtime here, so we're gonna get into what we call a chipper today. So a chipper has two meanings in my mind. The first is the more positive one, and that's you just have to chip away at a pretty good amount of reps. So you just go through it one time. Another meaning of that word is it's like a wood chipper, right? You get thrown in one end whole, and then come out all chipped up on the other side. So hopefully we're the first and not the second. Here's what we're doing today. We're gonna go 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Done. So you shouldn't need a warm up for this one because first off, you're going to lay on the ground, then you go back, jump. Again, everyone's favorite movement for that burpee. You're doing 50 of those, 5-0, big numbers. So if you're struggling, hands can come to the feet, and we'll do that down up as we've done before. After those 50, you should be feeling pretty warm because next we're gonna plant the feet, knees are going out, chest is staying upright. I'm gonna send my butt back and down. We're gonna do 40 air squats, okay? 40 air squats. Try and do your best to stay moving through this whole thing. So after that, we're gonna hit the deck. Hands come over your head. Big judo chop. You're gonna do 30 sit-ups. Then after that, you're gonna do 20 push-ups. Again, if that's too difficult, you can drop the knees, do the push-up from there. And last, but not least, we gotta end the day on a bang. You're gonna do 10 pistols. So it's gonna be 5 each side. So pistol is essentially a one-legged squat. It's really encompassing of stability, mobility, and strength. So if we're lacking any of those three, it's not gonna go so well. But I wanted to give you guys a challenge. So here's what it looks like. One leg stays off the ground. You're going to squat down. That leg stays off the floor as you come back up. Then you'll switch to the other side, repeat. If you're like, ain't no way, I can't do that yet, we're at home or somewhere with the surface. You're going to sit, stand, switch to the other side. Sit, stand. So, 50 squats, 50 burpees. Then you got your 40 squats. Then we're doing 30 sit-ups. Then we're doing 20 push-ups. Finishing off with those 10 pistols. Hope you guys have fun.